Hello lovely people, welcome once more to Cooking with Efia. I hope you all are doing wonderfully well. Today I'm making Ghanaian spring rolls and samosa recipe, so let's get started. In this spring roll recipe I'll be using beef. You can use any meat of your choice. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be cutting this into smaller chunks because I will be blending this meat and I really want it very small. So next on my list I have in my vegetables. You can use any vegetables of your choice. So I have in my carrots, cabbage, scallions, green bell peppers, chopped onions, and for spices I have in some curry powder, garlic and ginger powder, and some meat seasoning powder. To my heated pan I'll add in my cooking oil. Let it heat up a little bit and add in your blended meat. Yes, so I'll steam this for at least 1 minute before I'll add in my beef seasoning powder. So it's been about 5 minutes of cooking this meat and it has released a lot of juices now. So I'll add in my grated onions and give it a quick stir. Leave this to cook for extra 1 to 2 minutes and add in the rest of your vegetables. Next I'll add in a mixture of my spices, that is the garlic, ginger and some salt. Give this a quick stir and cover this to steam for extra 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes and this is how I want my sauce to look. Very crunchy and has a lot of juices in it as well. So I will set this aside for it to cool down completely before I will use it in my spring rolls. So this is a mixture of flour and water, so I will be using this to seal my spring roll wraps very well. And this is my homemade spring roll and samosa wraps. I had the video on this channel already, so I will leave the link to this video into the description box. I mean the samosa and the spring roll wraps into the description box for you to check it out. And next I'll add in my fillings to my wraps and I'm going to seal this with my paste I made. You can use water if you want, it works perfectly fine. So next I'll roll my spring rolls very nicely. You flip it over just as I'm doing right here. Then you roll it to the end of your spring rolls. But I really feel this baby right here very well. So with the help of the paste I made, I was able to do it very easy as that. Just look at that. This looks very nice and full. So let's repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. And fam, if you are a new baby here, welcome to Cooking with Efia. This is a foodie channel and I know you're going to love staying in here. And to my returnees, thank you. I love you guys so much. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe and be part of this foodie channel. And now onto our samosa wrap. So as you can see, I'm trimming my samosa because this is how I feel comfortable in it whilst folding it. I'm trimming it for it to become like an oval shape. You can make it circle, a square shape, any way you feel comfortable in it. Next I'll be folding my samosa wraps from the bigger side of this wrap, as you can see, and I will flip it over just as you seen right here. Perfect. So let's repeat the same process. You flip it over from the bigger side, then you cross it onto the same wrap you made. Perfect, as you seen right here. So I'll be sealing this joint where my index finger is right here with the flour and water paste I made, or you can just use the water alone for this one. It works perfectly fine as well. So now let's fill this baby with our ingredients. And just look at how this baby right here is looking, perfect and easy as that. So I'll repeat the same process off camera and just look at how this looks. So I'll heat up some oil, let it heat up very well, and drop in your samosa and spring rolls. Fry this on medium heat for at least 10 to 15 minutes for it to become golden brown and very crunchy as well. So this is about 15 minutes of frying it, and it looks perfect and very crunchy. Guys, what do you think about this samosa and spring rolls recipe? If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment and share this video to reach wider audience. And just look at how crunchy this samosa looks. Thank you guys for watching this video to this point. I love you so much. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye bye and stay blessed.